Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 18 of August. I have $12 here today, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know we're going to spend 6 of those in my minis. And this adorable set comes from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner. So I have $6 worth of prop coins here. But we are going to go to the back and we are going to do our roll. And this is my category of the month. I just created this because I've been seeing all these awesome creators in the community doing roll a day or daily rolls, and I wanted to see what that was like and if I wanted to do something like that myself. So I have $6 that could go into here. So here's my honey die. Sorry for the lighting. It's very late at night and this is what we have. So hopefully it's not too bad. So I'm going to roll my D6 and up to $6 will go into my category of the month, which is my $1,000 savings. I have done 1,000 videos on YouTube, so I created a freebie over on my Ko-Fi, and I am saving with this on Friday nights. So let's see what I get. 2. All right. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will go into my dailies, and then we'll put 2 here. And I already took some out and put it in a video, I think it was last week. So I'm going to color in a circle to represent one of the days. This has 31 circles on it for all the days in August. And now I can move my honey die and put my D3 die. Okay, before I do that, so what was that? 3, I already forgot. So $4 worth of prop coins. So I have 50 cents that represent like my extra money. So we have 51, 52, 53, 54. So we have $4 that we can mix in with our $6 of prop coins in 25 cents. So we'll just kind of mix these up a little bit. Oh, I don't know what I did. Now I want to try to shuffle everything. Oh, that's not bad. Okay. If you haven't seen my box challenge video from Sunday, I spend like, I don't know how many minutes shuffling. Okay, so we're just going to do a little mix. And then we're going to start at the paper clip. Okay, so let's go here. So we're going to start at number 4. And again, apologize about the lighting, but we are just, it's our cozy dailies. So 1, 2, and 3 for number 4. And I do have new nails. It's similar to the ones I just had, but it has a little peach tip. It's so cute. Okay, so 3 for number 5. 1 for number 6. 1, 2, 3 for number 1. 1, 2 for 2. 1, 2, 3 for 3. 2 for 4, 1 for 5, big money, big money, yay, 1, 2, 3 for 6, oh my goodness, it was ready, 1 for 2, 2 for 3, 1, 2, 3 for number 4, 1, 2 for 5, and then we were going to put our last one on 6. So we will start next time at number 1. Yay! Alright, so we're just going to scoot that there, scoot you back. Oh, I never put my money in the bank. We'll do that really quick, like I did it already. Okay, it's our $10 in the bank. Okay, so now let's see what number 1 got. So, ooh, I got some 50s. So we have 50, $1, and then 25, 50, 75. So we have $1.75 coming in here. And this one is one of mine that I created for Aisha at Aisha M Budgets. And she has this for sale on her Ko-fi. And I will have Aisha linked below if you want to check out any of the creators that have contributed to her Ko-fi to help support her while she's going through breast cancer treatment. So we have $1.75. so I can finish this top row and do 4 more. So I will be right back. All right, one day at a time. And the other 2 on the minis page has other quotes, and Aisha always signs her comments with a bunch of hearts, so I wanted to make sure I had hearts on there. Okay, so 25 can go here. Separate the 50. And then number 2, looks like it got $1. And number 2 is from Kimmy's Corner. Okay, so remember how I said the Crayola Clicks was doing pretty good on laminate? It's pretty much all on the back of my dashboard, but this is getting us within 50 cents of finishing. So maybe tomorrow we can finish this one from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner. So 50 more cents for that one. Okay, so we can put 25 here, 50 there, and then number 3, got all 25, so we have 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. And this one is from Jeanette's Journey. I was a winner. I won something on one of her Saturday Night Lives. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. Super cute little icons. Okay, so these are all 25. And then number 4, we have 50. Okay, so we have 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50, 75, $2.25. Oh, it's this tiny one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Oh my gosh. So we only needed 50 cents. So we'll take those away. So we finished this adorable little one. 25, 50. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. Oh my gosh, so cute. So now we have $1.75 that we can put into a new one. Let's see what we have going on here in the back. This is from Becca Budget 7 cents. Ooh, this is an $8 one. Part of me wants to put that back. But I can't, I'm good. I've already grabbed it. So we have, what did the pencil say to the sharpener? My life would be pointless without you. Goodness. All right, so we'll do yellow for this one. So we can do $1.75. So this would be $1 and then 75. So we can do the first 2 little rows. Perfect. All right, so we can put the 25 here and the 50 there. All right, so number 5. Looks like we got 150, so 20, 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50, 75. So $1.75 coming in here. Okay, so we needed 50, so it's $1. Oh, we only needed $1.50. Okay, so we can put that into the next one. So this one is from Cynthia Budgets. So 50, 75, $1, 25, 50. So $1.50. We'll finish this one. Oh, that's exciting. And then that goes there. So this one saves $4. And that's just plain business. I think we're just going to put all of it in the business. So I'm not even going to worry about where the others were. All right, so let's see what this one is. I see something fall, and I am ready for fall. Oh, this is from Eva over at DIY Budget. Her name is also Eva. She's Diva's Budget on YouTube, but DIY Budget on Etsy. I am not sure if she still has her Etsy, but let's put, oh, these are all 50 cents. Okay, so we will do 1 mark. So that got 25, and this will go back in here. And then number 6, so we have 50, $1, and then 50, 25, 75. Okay, so we have $2 going into number 6. And number 6 is from, I believe, Judy at Save with Judy. Uh-oh, brain freeze. So 1, did we finish this exactly? 1 and then 2. Oh my gosh, we did. This one is shark binder, so I will say that because that one I wouldn't mind keeping. Okay, so now I will color these and be right back. All right, so we have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. And then we have some quarters and some 50. All right, so we need a new one for next time. All right, this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Look at that little island party they're having. It's so cute. Okay. So actually, before we move up to the front, let's make sure we have $4 worth of 50 cents. So we have 51, 52, 53, 54, and that's correct. So we can put those there. And then we're going to go up to the front. And let's put our prop coins away. So everything else should be 25 cents. Okay, so we have 5, 5, and 4. Okay, so we have 5 for the little guy, 5 for the ice cream, and 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the home savings. Okay, so do we argue? Yeah. So these two are going to be for the business, and then this is for shark. Okay, so I'm going to put these 3 completed ones in our little completed envelope, and I will get out my binders that we need. Okay, so for the business, we're going to go to shipping, I think is where I want these to go. So that is $9 going into shipping. And then I need my regular binder to put $5 in the shark binder, which I need to film my upcoming video and remember to take that out of there. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me on day 18. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope to see you tomorrow. And until next time, take care. Bye.